This is the Lancaster 4220 belt discharge. I'm going to show you some of its features. We'll open up the hammer drum door here. You can see we have our screens are held in by two handles here. It's very easy to remove if you want to change screen size to get a finer product. Inside we have four-sided hammers. When you wear out one edge of your hammer, you can pull the hammer rod out and you can flip your hammer, put it back in, and it's like you're setting up with new hammers. Around the front of the machine, our mill is driven with an 8-belt system. We have a pulley in the back that runs the bottom auger with a single belt. All of your belts and your idler are easy to access here. You have a grease cert here to access your front bearing. Our hopper has an agitator in it for high moisture corn if you're having trouble with feeding, if things are bunching up in there. You can control the speed of that with this flow control here. Auger is very easy to get down and set up. You just pull the pin here, come back to the front of the machine, set your pump it up a little bit, pull it out. Get in the position and let your pump down. The auger has a flow control here to change your speed if you want to feed faster or slower. Around the back of the machine, we have a fan here that pulls air from the bottom of the screens, and then it takes the air and it sends it up into a dust collector where the particles are separated from the air and then put back into the auger. The reason we have that is to help pull air through the screen. So if you're running with a finer screen, the screens don't plug up as easily, and it helps with efficiency and grinding consistency. Around the back of the mill here, this is a conveyor discharge model. You have a chute here that will allow you to send the feed straight down if you're going into like a grain leg, or you can lift this up and flip it backwards and you can send feed out far if you're trying to fill up a bunk or a pile. Here we're driving the conveyor with a gearbox here. The shield's off the bottom here. You can see that's just a simple chain coupling drive with a line shaft that goes to the back of the machine and is driven off of a pulley here and here. And then there's a shaft that drives that. That's it.